Chemical cleaners should not be used on mirrors and glass because they leave residue that attracts grime and causes fogging and streaking. Use plain water and a high-quality microfiber cloth to clean glass and mirrors for the best long-lasting clarity. Start by removing any loose dust with a dry microfiber cloth using light, overlapping strokes to prevent scratching. For smudges or fingerprints, mist a small amount of clean water onto the cloth rather than spraying the surface to avoid pooled moisture at edges. Work from top to bottom and finish with a dry, lint-free towel to remove all moisture and eliminate streaks. When cleaning a mirror, pay attention to the back edge where silvering can begin to degrade and avoid soaking that area, since water can worsen deteriorated backing. Rotate and wash microfiber cloths regularly in hot water without fabric softener so they retain their ability to pick up oils and do not redeposit residue. For high-traffic commercial bathrooms, clean mirrors more frequently and spot treat with the water and microfiber method rather than chemical sprays to keep them clear longer. Many operators still use chemical glass cleaners and then wonder why surfaces fog or show streaks soon after. The chemicals leave a thin film that captures airborne oils and dirt, so the surface appears dirty again within hours, which you prevent by using only water and proper cloths. Another common issue is using the wrong cloth, such as paper towels, which shred and leave fibers behind, so switch to microfiber and launder it properly. A third mistake is overwetting, which can run into frames or mirror backing and cause corrosion or silvering loss, so always apply water to the cloth and dry immediately. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around home improvement topics, including proper maintenance and cleaning practices like glass care, and we host a discussion community where users exchange tips and experiences. We help homeowners find local contractors, and we help contractors find work by exposing their services to motivated local audiences.